In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV into your Bubble database. We'll start right from the beginning. So open your browser and head to bubble.io. Sign in with your account, and once you're in, open the app where you want to add data. If you're working with multiple apps, double check that you've selected the correct one, because the data you upload will go straight into that app's database. On the left-hand panel, click Data. This is the home for everything related to your database. From there, choose App Data. This tab shows the actual records stored in your app, and it's also where you'll find the option to upload a CSV. Look for the Upload button. Keep in mind that uploading via CSV is a paid feature in Bubble, so make sure your plan includes it before proceeding. When you click Upload, you'll be prompted to choose your file. Click Choose File and select your CSV from your computer. A quick tip before you upload: having clear, consistent column headers in your CSV will make the next part much smoother. It helps if your headers closely resemble the field names you use in Bubble. After selecting the file, Bubble will display a mapping screen. This is where you match each column in your CSV to the corresponding field in your Bubble database. Take your time here. Make sure text fields map to text, numbers to numbers, dates to dates, and so on. If there are columns you don't need, you can leave them unmapped. If your CSV has values like yes/no, true, false, or dates in a specific format, confirm that they align with how your Bubble fields are configured. Accurate mapping ensures your data lands in the right place and with the right type. Once everything looks correct, click Upload. You'll see a progress indicator while Bubble processes the file. For larger CSVs, this may take a little while. Avoid navigating away from the page during this step. When it's done, head back to App Data to confirm that your entries are there. You can switch to the relevant data type, sort by created date, or scan a few rows to make sure the columns imported as expected. If something seems off, it usually comes down to the mapping or the formatting in your CSV, so reviewing those details often resolves it quickly. That's it, your CSV is now in the Bubble database, ready to power your app's workflows, searches, and dynamic pages.